of Halloween, everybody make a scream, make a scream, make a scream.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the 30 Days of Halloween. Halloween is rapidly approaching, and if you haven't gotten your costume by now, I know what you're thinking. I don't really need a costume. It's not that big of a deal. But once you get there, you're gonna realize that you would have had so much more fun if you would have just gotten the costume in the first place. So today, I'm bringing you 10-second, last-minute costume ideas. Yeah. Number one, obviously, is the easiest costume in the book. You could be a spooky witch. Seems like our lives are constantly run by social media. So, could just dress up as Facebook. You could just go the totally adorable route and be a baby, but I know some of you like to skank it up, so you could just be a dead hooker. Hey baby, I'll give you a little sucky for a little $10. With this space blanket, I'm destined to get some aliens. Or you can totally dress up as an alien researcher. Yes, hello, is this Mars? Yari, wrong number.
Dun, dun, dun. Ah, yes, my trusty doll. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Don't let anybody ever tell you that you can't get married on a budget. Okay, you bitches!
You can totally pull a Barb and Adam in Beetlejuice trying to scare Lydia's parents. We're ghosts! And speaking of the Queen of Darkness, you could just dress up as Lydia yourself. You're gonna have to go to the Goodwill. Or you could just go as probably one of my favorites, good old Spice Rack. And last but not least, you can be the gift of life. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a big thumbs up. The 30 days of Halloween is almost over. I'm so glad. I'm so burnt out. I'm never doing this again, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm out. Bye. Okay, ready? Nasty! I don't want to smell your farts while I'm sticking my tongue out to drink this bottle. Oh my god, I can smell your fart. Ew!
Oh, bridal music. Oh, catching the bouquet.
Hey, baby. This is what we had to do to keep the dog away.
You want $10?
What am I gonna do with that?
Come on, jump. You want $10?
I can't fit.